How could she? Why would she? Baby, I loved you. Why did you let me go? Yes, it hurts me, but I still want you to know all the love we made can never be erased, and I promise you that you will never be replaced. Baby, I loved you. Why did you let me go? Yes, it hurts me, but I still want you to know all the love we made can never be erased, and I promise you that you will never be replaced.
Damn, this girl, she really had me thinking. Me and her, no worries in the future, we be living together. And I knew it wouldn't be forever, cause I know good things don't last long, but we could've made it further. All the things you told me, y'all were lies, I know. Cause if you felt how you said you felt, you just couldn't let me go without a single reason, or even a single fight. You gave the best of my life, left with the loneliest nights. I got it bad, no, I got it worse than even Usher. Cause even though you did, I can't let go. No, I know that it's a must to come back. I know that you won't. I know you left and never coming back, except the fact that you're gone.
Oh, baby, I loved you. Why did you let me go? Yes, it hurts me, but I still want you to know all the love we made can never be erased, and I promise you that you will never be replaced. Baby, I loved you. Why did you let me go? Yes, it hurts me, but I still want you to know all the love we made can never be erased, and I promise you that you will never be replaced. Baby, I loved you. Why did you let me go? Yes, it hurts me, but I still want you to know all the love we made can never be erased, and I promise you that you will never be replaced. Baby, I loved you. Why did you let me go? Yes, it hurts me, but I still want you to know all the love we made can never be erased, and I promise you that you will never.
For all the years that I've known you, baby, I can't figure out the reason why lately you've been acting so cold. Didn't you say if there's a problem we should work it out? So why you giving me the cold shoulder now, like you didn't even wanna talk to me, girl? Tell me, okay, I know I was late again. I made you mad and then I stone in the bed. But why you making this thing drag on so long? I wanna know. I'm sick and tired of a silly game. Don't think that I'm the only one here to blame. It's not me who's been going round slamming doors. That's when you turn and say,
Ay, ayan, umiyak.
Hi, Jay. Video na, Jay.
Ay, buto.
Uy, ano malaman mo, ma? Ito, sarap naman yan.
Butang ito sa titi mo, ho.
Ako na eh.
Para magdamol.
Ida mo, ano?
Ayo!
Glenn.
Gaggers! O, asan na yung ano?
Si basta-basta eh.
Excuse.
Ay, yung ano?
Sayang
Ito na lang naman ko na yun.
Te, pera. Tapos te. Basi kaya ako dong. Basi.
May kapa.
Video?
May lari ka pa
Ay,
nan.
nagkaputok si Shell.
Pahiram na.
O, te. Na.
Nasa bowl. Bowl na lang.
Bawl? Oo. Wala na. Ayun na lang, bawl.
Eugene.
Nasa yan
Yes.
ano?
Balat niya.
Video. Meow.
Damo gusto man.
Donna.
Init.
Init.
Saan tubigan niya?
Pag isa ka sapat, i-video. Ang sungad. Ang daya. Aray mo ilong, di pupunta mo.
Boy, seryoso?
Hindi man gibe. Na-blows ko gibe. Dito, tanga. Hinawi siya kape.
Ako mabukal na to, Arif. Tumatao. Dada, tapos dala mo hiwa to, tapos.
Wow, kabukal no.
Ano eh?
Tinaksuhan mo.
Daso.
Ay, nito lang eh.
Ay, hindi, no. Nasampaw mo na lang.
Subong?
Para magbukal to.
Wow. Nako.
Pahingi nga, ano.
Basta, kape ba na ta? Ano tayo?
Gatas.
Espresso?
Hindi.
Wait lang ha, Daya. Latte na siya, latte. Black latte.
Oh. Ano yan? Inagamit.
Oh, I done.
Tagal naman nila may di.
Wait, text mo sila. Kasi na. Ay. Hindi pag zoom, mo gina-zoom mo.
Wala.
Bakit siya hindi siya kumakain? Latte, dali na magbaang itlog.
Hi. Nain Beach.
Ay!
February 27, 2010.
Kita na yan, oh. Kita na yung mantika.
Ay, nak.
Oo.
Oo, hala ko.
Si Sandman.
Hala, asan? Dinas naman.
Kasi makadda sila.
Te. Hi. Boy.
Oy, mamaya kapag may matira dito,
Uy.
patay tayo.
Uy.
150
Yan
kayo.
ka.
Ito puso na yung lutoon eh.
Ano ko? Dala sila.
Ano dito?
Nahinig dala. Taduyan. Dala ka rin doon.
Dito na sila. Basta dito sila sa pihak mo.
Kikita nila nga, hari kita nila. Ito na makwata nga, Teds. Si Chip in lang ta?
Hindi na nga. Tagpila ni daan.
150 man lang?
150 man na.
Di Chip in eh.
Ano kuha tayo?
Sabi ko hindi 150.
150 ni. Wala ka mabahin yung paso? Sige sa, mamakuan lang ta. Dito namin natin pisto. Namin natin nyo. May lamisa pa. Dito magkuhan kaon.
Agay!
Malaki nga. Pero masarap pa. Masarap ba yan?
Video.
Kasi yung mga tali ito cute. Wala?
Video ni Sadarang.
Ay, te.
Mantika. Sige, chef man to. Sinunod mo.
Agi na ako pa natapos na na.
Ang ano? Ang isda.
Ario?
Ari
man di ang...
Oo daw.
Ang luwag, ang luwag.
Ang lawag.
Ang lawag man. Ang lawag.
Sandok?
Balikin ko na ba? Tama ka?
Nak.
Karalat.
May plato kayong dala?
Inuna mo pa yan. Sana yung itlog muna.
Ay, buto. Ang itlog na lang.
Di pwede man na.
Di bale, mama.
May mantika pa ano?
Mag-isa sana ng itlog.
Yung ano, yung pag...
Gabi si
mamaya
si Boy
pa
dumating ni
tanghali
Idol.
yun
Yung ano.
Anong tanghali? Yung nga almusal tayo. Yung nga tanghalian.
Wala. Ano yung matinay? Dulo?
Okay na yan.
Magbayad na kayo.
Chinubela na yan. Ganag. Ang dali lang na tulog.
Dako na. Dasang sa puti niya dingding. Ayan na. Sa kami lang.
O, dyan na.
Sa akin ako.
Baby, I love you and I'll never let you go. But if I have to, boy, I think that you should know all the love we made